everyone, welcome back to another episode of CS Lurb's MSG Mondays. Today we're going to be trying broad noodle, chili oil, sour and hot flavor. So I've been really curious about these noodles. I picked them up from Walmart. They're relatively cheap. I think it's like a pack of 4 for $4 or something like that. And I've been really getting into these Chinese instant noodles. I'm really curious about these Sichuan flavors, the sour and hot, spicy. I'm all about that kind of life. So I'm really curious to see how this is gonna taste. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give it a try.
Okay, we got our broad bean noodles here. This is what it looks like here. We got our noodle nest. We got our chili oil, our black vinegar. We've got some flakes, and we got some seasoning MSG powder. So we're gonna begin by adding our noodles to our bowl, pouring 600 milliliters of boiling water over top of it, just like so. And we're gonna go ahead and add and sprinkle on our flakes right there. We've got some carrot and some cabbage and other lovely green things in there. Cover that little bit up and let that cook for 5 minutes. Drain that out completely. And then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our seasoning powder and our black vinegar. And last but not least, our chili oil, just like so. That will be enough to coat all the noodles. And we're going to go ahead and want to go ahead and mix that all up and ensuring the noodles are nicely coated in the sauce, ready to slurp up. Yum, let's try this.
All right, so this is the finished product. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Wow, these are super fun. It's so nice to see a broad noodle, a thick noodle, thin. Oh my gosh, this never happens. So I'm like really pleasantly surprised. I also found that the noodles rehydrated super well. The volume actually expanded quite a bit. I was surprised at how much moisture they sucked in. That did not inhibit the texture of the noodle. In fact, these noodles were so awesome. They were super, super chewy. I was a little bit hesitant at the 5-minute mark for cooking time, but this wheat-based noodle, ultimately chewy. I don't think I've had noodles that's chewy in a long time. So this is such a wonderful surprise. The instructions weren't super clear. I mean, I noticed a pack of flakes, which I know need to be rehydrated, so I threw those in. Otherwise, it would have been kind of crunchy, or maybe they would rehydrate quickly. There are 4 cool packets in it. Not super environmentally friendly. Even the noodles were wrapped in plastic, but whatever, they were delicious. Really strong Sichuan inspiration here. Totally knew this is a Sichuan noodle right off the bat. You get that nice sourness coming from the Xinjiang vinegar, aka Chinese black vinegar, which is really, really tasty. And then you got the chili oil, which is in there. Not too hot, actually. I thought it would be hotter, but again, this is on the low to medium scale. You'll get a little bit, just a slight bit of mala or numbing spice in there because it is Sichuan. They use Sichuan peppercorns. Do not wear white clothes with this because you might have noticed bats of chili oil splashing everywhere. So be cautious wearing this. It'll be a lot of splatter, but totally, totally worth it. With that being said, I'm gonna give this a 4.5 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5. I really enjoyed these. I haven't seen many Sichuan noodles. The flavor was awesome. Short cooking time in this one. Really easy to do. I'm gonna be eating those up right away, and I would definitely buy this again. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!